Good day, everybody. This is Michael Levitis with Immigration Attorney Yakov Spektor. Yakov is a participating attorney in jurisq.com, which is a legal network where we answer your questions, your FAQs, frequently asked questions on law. Yakov, you're a true professional in the immigration field. Welcome back. Thank you for your time.
Hi, Michael. Hello, everyone.
I want to talk about a very serious topic, a very dangerous topic, deportations, or now they're called removal proceedings, right? This is a very scary thing. You live your life in America, you built your life here, possibly even you're married to a US citizen, you have your family here, and then next day, at night, you have a knock on your door, agents rush in, handcuff you, put you in a detention center, and off you go to another country, even though you possibly were in America your whole life. So I want to hear from you how to avoid it, meaning what conduct, what offenses should you stay away from that could make you subject to deportation?
Michael, what you just described was pretty much a nightmare that anybody who is undocumented in this country goes through. And that nightmare is not going to be your situation, even if you're undocumented here. At least, at the time of me recording this video, we are in June of 2022. The government will not rush your door. The agents will not arrest you unless you do have a criminal record. And strangely enough, of course, people who do have criminal records, they're usually the ones who are the most blasé about the whole situation. Okay, they usually call me when they are already in detention. Okay, when it might be too late. There might not be a lot you can do about it. Now, if you're one of the responsible, viewers of this video, okay, first of all, you probably do not have a criminal record. Okay, if you're undocumented here, you want to talk to me and see what could be done about it. Okay, but if you do, because everybody makes mistakes,
of course,
face it, guys. It does happen. It happens to all of us. Now, if it is something that happened to you, okay, even if you think that it's something very, very minor, even if you think that it's not a crime at all, like, for example, marijuana offenses, in a lot of states, they're simply not an offense anymore. Right. And yet, it's a federal crime. You could get deported for it, even if you have a green card. So if there's any kind of an arrest or a conviction on your record, talk to me. Okay, maybe you could do something about it. Okay, maybe I'll give you some advice that will ensure that no one will come in the middle of the night or in the middle of the day, I'd say, and try to haul you off to immigration jail. Prevention is the best cure.
That's a good point. So in general, though, what could make you subject to a removal from this country? You mentioned criminal offenses. That is the most important reason for a deportation. Am I right?
Correct.
And or is the only reason?
I would say at this point, yes. There's just so many undocumented immigrants living in the United States. It's impossible. The government is not going to come in and deport millions and millions of people. Okay, and not only that, the government oftentimes relies on these people to pick the crops, to serve you food, to prepare the food. Okay, and that's the truth about immigration. We are not going to get into this right now. I think we actually did discuss it during one of our videos.
Yeah.
But if you have no criminal record, you probably will not be hauled off to immigration detention. Okay, but if you do have a criminal record, yes, there is a good chance that the government will at least try to remove you, even if you have a green card. Now, which criminal record qualifies?
Yes.
Any kind of an arrest. Okay, any kind of an arrest, even if it's a misdemeanor, even if you can do any time, could be grounds to try and remove you. So you want to talk to me.
Wow. So even a misdemeanor, a violation, not just a felony, could possibly get you deported.
Right.
That is very scary, very scary.
Right. Unfortunately, that's the case. And now, of course, you know, if you got a ticket for jaywalking, okay, probably you don't have to worry about it much. Okay, but if you got a ticket for smoking marijuana in a federal park, that could be a problem. So it's best not to decide on your own whether it's going to be a problem or not. Find out.
Yeah. You know what, Yakov, you did a great job explaining the legal side. I'm not an attorney, but I want to give an advice that's a general advice, common sense advice for those who are waiting to get their legal residence in US. Stay away from bad people and bad places, because you could be a perfectly good guy or girl. You could be around some wrong people. You could get caught up with something. They'll get arrested, and they're going to arrest you just because you're part of that group. So stay away from people that are risky. Stay away from places that are risky. If you know there's a bar where sometimes fights happen, stay away from that bar. You're right now waiting for the most important decision of your life, whether or not you'll be granted status in America. Wait it out. Behave yourself. Stay away from bad people, bad places, and hopefully Yakov Spektor, a great immigration attorney, is going to guide your hand all the way to your US passport. That is the goal. Stick to the goal. Have it in your mind. I want to get that passport. I'm going to do everything in my power to get that passport.
Michael, I think this is the best advice that we heard in this video.
No, you are the guy we go to for advice. We appreciate it. And we're going to have you again next time. Again, we're giving here general advice, legal advice, and life advice. If you want specific consultation with an immigration attorney on your case, please call Yakov Spektor. The number is on the bottom of the screen, and Yakov will be more than happy to schedule consultation, to answer your questions, and to guide you through the process. Yakov, thank you so much. Everybody, thank you for tuning in, for listening, for watching. Until next time, take care, everybody.
Thank you, everyone.
Bye-bye.